Hello YouTube. I just thought I would do a follow-up video, sharpening an axe. I got a comment from Snowfog Outdoors, if I'm pronouncing and remembering correct, asking if I could do a axe video, sharpening axe, because he got a similar setup. So I'm just gonna sharpen it. You saw in the other video how you use it. Then I'm gonna just test if it feathers a stick. So it's already sharp, but yeah, I'll do anything for my subscribers. So if you see it got pretty flat and then a convex. I'm not using the furthest pulley on the setup because I'm wanting a more flat profile, because we have softer woods here in Norway. So I don't know if you can hear this, but it's already pretty decent sharp. But I'm gonna sharpen it, so this is gonna make a lot of noise. So I'm just gonna sharpen it to done, then show you afterwards. Yeah. As you can see, I'm turning to adjust to the curvature of the bit. So yeah, I can see where I'm grinding. So this will take a good bit to flatten out. So yeah. Just raised angle on the last strokes, and yeah, I hope you can hear this, but I got the burr clean, burr. So yeah. I got the burr. Shall we see? Medium is this? Isn't coarse? Yeah, I'm just gonna use you. I'm gonna go straight to medium. So I got a burr on both sides. I'm just gonna flip and remove the burr and clean her up, and then show you how sharp her is. There, I'm just gonna cut off the burr. You feel it's pretty sharp, so yeah, just gonna keep doing this. There, and as you see, it don't take long. Sorry for that. There, make sure it's burr free again. I'm not bothered about making it screaming sharp. As you saw in one of my other videos, it easily cut magazine paper. I'm not bothering with that now because it's a lot of abuse, and yeah, I don't need a shaving edge on my axe anymore. There, I'm gonna go get some paper just for the fun of it. There, flimsy paper. I don't know if it will be able to do this. Yeah, it cuts. as you see. So now for the real test, as I said, it's a wood user. Just gonna find this got a lot of resin, so I think I will, yeah, much better. And I usually feather with a knife, so sorry my bad skills. I'm just showing you can use axe and it will be sharp. So if you see, so yeah, it cuts paper, not the smoothest, but yeah, it does it without any problem, so it's plenty sharp. So yeah, Snowfog outdoors. I hope this was good enough, and if any other watchers, please press like, subscribe, leave a comment if you're wondering about anything. This is Knife Sharpening Norway. Bye.